Alright, good tonight, fans. I'm wearing my Padme shirt, my favorite shirt. She protected me today. I stayed home. Tomorrow I'm going to go back to the gym for the first day. Thursday I go back home. I'm going to plow all the meals down again. Got my supplements. Hope you guys are doing good tonight. Here's the deal. My branch channel Mias has come out in a little while. And got my Olympio hoodies and t-shirts coming out. Documentary comes out end of September, and in September the documentary comes out. The the book comes out in September. The rap album, 3 rap albums, baller status, 3 discs. Today I'm doing good. Today I stayed home, ate. I watched the Star Wars movies. It's been lazy the last couple days. I needed that week off. Tony says it's okay to rebound because I could have burned out. Now it's time to go home and put back the work in, baby. So today's a good night, guys. Hope your guys are good night, man. Having a good night. Let me show you. There's my supplements. All my supplements. I got that. I was reading some Anne Hathaway books. Got my drone. Let me show you what I got. There's my lightsaber. Lightsaber's over there. Just been resting at my mom's house the last couple days. I don't see my mom very much because I live all the way in Boynton, way out there. A 25-30 minute drive. Here's my speakers. Got my 24-hour Tresemme collagen hair gel. Got some of this argan oil. Here's my Star Wars pennant replica. Actually, this is the replica from the Star Wars movies, as you can see. So, today's a good day. Got any questions now? We can start asking these questions. How to buy supplements? On my link in the bio, you can buy my supplements. Favorite bodybuilders. If I was to pick the favorite bodybuilders, it would have to be Arnold number 1, Dorian Yates number 2, and Richard Gaspari number 3. Current cycle. I'm running S23 twice a day, MK677, Anavar every other week, 750 to 75, 250 milligrams of tests. GRP6, 3 IUs every other day. That's like 9 or 12 IUs. I'm trying 100 milligrams every other day. Some other stuff. Some Clen T3. Water pills. Alright, guys, I thought I'd come on here for a couple minutes. I'm off.